Hey everyone, here, Ryan here, and today we're playing Will You Press the Button? And what? You will become the most attractive man in the world, but you will sound like Jar Jar Binks for the rest of your life. I don't know if I should press that. Should I? Yeah, I'm pressing that. I like how Jar Jar Binks sound. No, Mr. Stay! Who wins? Oh, God! What does this say? My breast mega squeeze them. Wow. Step 1, press button. Step 2, move vocal. Wow. That's dumb. But this is good. This is really good. Wow. What is it? You fall in love with a wonderful person, but he or she has no arms and does everything with their feet. No! 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 Okay, that's dumb. Bad. It's like jerk. Wrong. You gain $1 million, but 100 random people die. So if I gain $1 million, well, I have a girlfriend, but if she makes it out alive, just money. Okay, let's go. Wow, wait, did I press the button? Yeah, I pressed the bow whale. That really good. The dark rises. Stop this blood. You can teleport anywhere in the world at any time, but you can't interact with anyone. What? No, I will not. Ugh. Wait, so you can just do go with someone, and just do that. Just wee, fling in the hair while teleporting. Just ding, just grab here and just fling in the air. You can make anything you put your mind to: art, food, writing, music, but you only sleep an hour a day. No. Mama. Who won? Oh, me. Bad. Definitely bad. 3:55. I got home from school I got home from school 55 minutes ago. You achieve world domination, everyone loves you, but it hurts. Wait, let me go Google. Page up there. Hey, that's that one. What the heck are hurts? Whatever. What? Uh, what are they? Centuries. Lol. By the way, I'm a big fan of Dan TD. No. No. Yeah, it's like crap. You meet someone who is perfect for you and you love each other. But they are. What is wrong with this? This is so inappropriate. No. Just seriously, why is this so inappropriate? Tupac comes back to life, but he must feature little lion in every one of his songs. Feature. Now who won? Yes. Psych equals 100. And it's just like the fucking website. You get the superpowers with speed, but you take an ice bath for an hour each day. Guess every hour you take one to keep cool. Keep it cool. I'm the coolest man. You know what I mean. Wait, did I? Oh, nice. This is good. Okay, just ignore the background. And I'll pause the video, guys, but I'm back. You can have limited wishes, but you had to watch 3 whole seasons of My Little Pony yearly. 3 whole seasons. What does it mean by 3 whole seasons every year? Oh, I get it. So every season of it comes out. Limited wishes. That would actually be cool. Unlimited wishes. Could make it so that I wish everything and everyone was 10 years older. That would be nice. Don't ask me why, but this is a bit embarrassing. I watch My Little Pony a bit, like not now, but I used to. With a friend reunion movie happened, but you can never watch any of the already existing episodes again. What, like the Phantom Menace? Crap. Jackrabbit. You can listen to any song with perfect quality and listen. Wait, hang on, let me pause the video for a second. Yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! I am a big fan of him. I love this. Kill me. Dude. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye!